What's up, guys? So if you follow me on Instagram, you will notice that I recently put this this Amuse spoiler in the car. It makes the car look so much different, so much better. But the only bad thing is that I couldn't record the process for you guys. It was too complicated. I couldn't do two things at the same time. I couldn't do this and record at the same time, but I will explain briefly like what you have to do to be able to do this. So it's really not that hard, but just because it's something new and I didn't know how to do it, it was complicated for me, but you guys should be fine. So the first thing I'm gonna say is where I got it from is Fly One Motorsport. Actually, let me turn off the car. It's too loud, so you can't hear me when I talk. So let's turn off the car and start the video. Okay, let me lift this open just in case. So yeah, so I bought this from Fly One Motorsport. Probably the worst place to buy this. They took around 4 months to send me this wing. Horrible work. The material is like really crappy. If you see it already cracked over here, you probably can't see it, but it's alright. So the first thing you have to do when you buy it is send it to paint. Probably it's gonna cost you more to paint it than buying the wing, unless you know someone that knows how to paint. But yeah, so what I did with this after I had it paint, so in the bottom of the wing, there's gonna be some screws where you put the screws on. And what I did to measure it real good is that I put some toothpaste in all the holes and then placed the wing on top of the bumper, and then took it out to see exactly where I have to like drill the holes in the bumper. So that's a really nice way to do this without making any mistakes. So you can do that, and after you do that, you're gonna know where to put the screws. So you open the holes and you're gonna put the screws in. What I did, because so this material is fiberglass, so I really couldn't put all the screws in, because I noticed that the wing was cracking, so I couldn't do it that way. So what I did is that I put 2 screws in in front of it, like I put one here and then one over here, and I put some like contact cement in the bottom and inside, that way it sticks real good. And yeah, it looks really good. I've been trying I drive fast sometimes when I'm late, and the wing is still here, it hasn't fly off, so that's pretty good. What is that? Okay. So get it this way. So yeah, so after doing all that, then you're gonna be able to put the wing again, and that's it. It's really, so I probably did it the wrong way. I know I did, because I really can't take the wing out unless like I break the wing or something. But I'm planning to stay with this wing for a while, so it doesn't really matter to me. But yes, I can't take this wing out because it has cement under it, and like all the corners, so it's gonna stay there forever until I crack it somehow or destroy it. So also there's a cup over there if you see it. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, there's the cup over there. So good, I'm not doing nothing even though I don't have license in front of my car and my windows are tinted. So yeah, yeah, that's probably it. I'm gonna leave some videos of what I could record so you can see a little bit of how to do it, and that's probably it for this. I just wanted to make this video telling you like how to do it, and that's it.